Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for a Bluetooth wireless headset? Then you want to try this one. It is really, really good. My favorite feature is that you can switch it from both sides of your head. And this is really, really soft and really, really flexible on your ears. It is really comfortable. I do love that you really can't see it very well. I'm going to put it on my ear. And then with my hair covered, you can just barely see it. It's very, very comfortable and the sound quality is really good. I've used them on many different types of calls, on Zooms, and they're comfortable for all day wear. So if you're looking for a great headset that's wireless that you can use for your computer, then you want to try this one. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.